Assalamu alaikum everyone. This is Adil and today I will share with you something very important. You know, one activity can give you a plenty of benefits like it can improve your health, it can reduce your grocery budget and also it can relieve your stress. And very important thing, it can by doing this activity you can clean a lot of air around your home. Yes, this activity is kitchen gardening. Kitchen garden is constructed with the sole purpose of growing vegetables that can be grown all year round. Kitchen garden is conducive to grow herbs, fruits and vegetables. You can grow your own kitchen garden in your lawn or terrace or any place where sunlight is available at least 6 to 7 hours a day. And yes, it has many benefits as I told you earlier. Now I will share some of these with you. Number 1. Free from harmful chemicals. You get to eat more homegrown seasonal vegetables and herbs that are free from harmful pesticides. There is a better control over what goes in your meal when you grow it yourself, making it healthier option. And number 2, stay healthy. Consuming more fresh fruits and vegetables is the one of the most important things you can do to stay healthy. When you pick vegetables right from your garden, the vitamin content at its highest and you are reducing the risk of eating vegetables that contain harmful chemicals and exactly where you know what you are eating. In addition, getting kids involved in gardening process will make it more likely for them to taste vegetables. And number 3, physical activity. Kitchen gardening is a healthy way to involve whole family in physical activity. And number 4, environment friendly. Kitchen gardening also helps clean up a lot of air around your home. Kitchen gardening goes a long way in healing your environment around you. And number 5, reduced grocery budget. One of the benefits of enjoying garden vegetables is the reduced monthly food bill. You can grow organic vegetables for a fraction of the cost available in store. And number 6, get outdoor exercise. Gardening is a physical activity and pulling weeds, planting and digging can burn up to 400 calories per hour. Gardening is also a good mental exercise and it helps to keep your mind sharp. And number 7, gardening is a natural stress reliever. Being outside in fresh air and sunshine can improve your mood and make you feel rejuvenated and overall happy. Growing your own produce will give you a sense of accomplishment. Gardening has also been proven to improve mood and stabilize feelings of anxiety and depression and overall reduce the feelings of stress and stress incidents. And yes, in the last, I will love to share gardening can fill a person with a sense of purpose and achievement, and it is a very high reward. So, grow your own garden now. Thank you. Allah Hafiz.
Through the fields of our past, feeling